I wonder if the red berries, I think they're artificial, are what attracting all the birds. Bless their hearts, I might have to consider getting some bird feed. I deliberately haven't put out regular bird feeders because they always poop where they eat. And I just cannot bear bird doo-doo all over the place. So I don't know what we're going to do about this, but look at that. So they're attracted by the red and they're looking for food. Isn't that interesting? They're living in hope that there's food and they're looking really hard. Isn't that interesting? Well, maybe we'll have to get some bird seed today when we go out. I guess I could put some in the rail boxes with violas. It's just, the bird poop is so much acid with it, you know, and it bleaches out the wood and it's hard to get up and it just discolors everything. Anyway. Well, I guess the whole flock of them have come and decided there's nothing to eat here. They looked in the windows. They flew all around the glass doors looking in, and they recognized glass, so they didn't bang up against it like, you know, sometimes the birds will do that. In the summertime, the hummingbirds will come to the window and hesitate for the longest time looking in, and it usually means one of the bird feeders is empty or low. They're trying to tell me to come out and fix it. So I think maybe we'll get some, maybe if I put it on the very outside of the edge of the rail boxes, that if they poop, it will be on the outside of the rail boxes and not soil my wood rails or the floor. Isn't that interesting? They really are. The red berries have really attracted them. I had no idea. Look at that little bird. I don't know what it is. See, they're checking out. Oh, I'm sorry, it's false advertising. Sorry, it's false advertising. I apologize. I'll get you some bird feed. I'll get you some bird feed tomorrow. Oh my God, look at that. They really are in desperate hope. Okay, babies. These are not robins. It looks like they have blue feathers on the back, on their backs, and kind of a little bit of red. Oh, look at that one. They are really searching hard. Well, there might be some insects in the rail boxes. I suppose that's a possibility. Okay, dear sweet birds, I'm sorry. You know, with the hummingbirds, they're attracted to bright colors, especially red. And maybe these other birds are too. It's interesting. Well, thank you for sharing. That's all for today.